OK， 哎呀，我来切换一下摄像头。今天还是介绍文化史吧。
文化史。
对，我感觉这个项目最近比较火。Okay, today we introduce our high pressure forming machine. It can be 2 components or 3 components. Like this one, this is 2 components. Our tank can load polyo and isocyanate. The 2 material will mix, then come out from our mixing head to be formed. Today I will introduce you this high pressure forming machine to make our forkstone panel. You can see these are our forkstone panels. These are made by our high pressure forming machine. Firstly, I introduce you how material goes through our machines. First step, you should insert this long tube into our material drums to lift the material from the chemical drums into our big tank. This is our big tank. This one is around 250 liters. Then, after going to this tank, the material will come out through this filter. This is a self-clean filter. After going to this filter, it will be transformed into the metering pump. The metering pump will calculate how many kilograms or how many grams of material you need.
哎，怎么直接20？
上次播过一次，
没断吗？
要重新开吗？还是就继续啊？
继续吧。
Okay. And this is the motor for this metering pump. The metering pump is the most important and the most expensive part of this machine. You can see this is our metering pump brand. This is from a venture joint company called Glenrix. It's a very good brand. After the material come out from the metering pump, it will go into these pipes. The material will meet at the mixing chamber of this head. After crushed, the material come out. Okay, I introduced the poly part. Now I introduce you the isocyanate part. Isocyanate part is also same. Firstly, insert the lifting pump from this lifting pump into our material drum. The material drum will lift material automatically through this inlet into our drums. And here there's a meter. You can see. You can check how many materials left inside of this tank from this meter. And this is the lowest part. You can see it's measured with 20%. And the highest part is 8% of isocyanate. So that means we recommend you lift material into these 2 tanks around 20% or 80%. This will do good for our drums and for all the equipment. Also, the material will go out through this pipe into our filter. Let's check the filter. This is called a self-clean filter, which means you don't have to clean this filter by yourself. Otherwise, you have to clean the filter every day. The filter is used for filter some other materials inside of the chemicals, polyol and isocyanate. From this filter, it will go through this pipe into our metering pump. Here is the pressure. And this is the motor. This is our motor brand information. This is the brand is Bade. Bade is also from Siemens company. You can check. So this is also a very good brand. You can trust the quality, and if you use our machine, it seldom has the quality or after sales problem, which is an insurance for both of us. Inside of in the middle part of this high pressure forming machine, it's a hydraulic station. It's a very big one. It's like a heart. The high pressure forming machine is driven by hydraulic system, so this is the most important part. Okay, they are connected with the pipes. Let's move to this mixing head. You can see this one. This yellow one is for lifting the head up and down. If you need it higher, you just press on our mixing head, then it can go up. And if you need it down, you also just press a button on our mixing head. And let's check these buttons. There are 5 buttons here. This one is obviously the most important one. This is the emergency stop. In case your workers cannot do or operate this machine correctly, you just press on this emergency stop. Then everything will be stopped. It will keep your workers safe and keep your production line safely. This one is for injection. If you choose this one, this means the mixing head cannot work, nothing. And this one, you can start injection one by one. And if you choose this loop, means your production can be a circle without stop. And this is for choose the station 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Maximum you can choose 99 working stations. This is connected with our system of PLC. Later we will show you the PLC electronics. And this is a light, indication of injection. If your machine is on the normal working, this light should be on. Here there's a switch, forward and backward. This is not for the mixing head, or this is for the whole machine. This big machine is around 2 tons to 3 tons, maybe around the 2,000 kilograms and 3,000 kilograms. So it's very heavy. You cannot push it by hand. So we will add the rollers at the bottom part. There are 4 wheels here. And we also added an electric system for moving this machine. You can see here there are wheels. There's a wheel, and there also a wheel, and this is the driven motor. This driven motor is used for helping the whole machine to move on. So this 2,000 kilos huge machine can be driven by this system very easily. You can move forward or backward very easily. At the back part, there's a small machine I didn't introduce. This is also very important. If you know it, you will know this is a chiller. This chiller is for adding the waters into the machine tank. These pipes are connected with the drum. You can see this is the outlet for the water and the inlet for the water, and this is for overflow, and this is for cold water inlet. So there are four outlets, two outlets and one inlet and one overflow. This chiller is used for cooling the machine tank temperature because our machine has heating system. Here is an insulation layer. If you heated the machine at a very high temperature, then you need to cool the temperature down. Usually our material needs temperature at around 25 Celsius degree. If the temperature shows it's very high, over high, then our chiller will cool down the tank automatically. So you don't have to worry about this. There's a system here. You can set the temperature you need by this small programming. This is temperature up, temperature down. This is OK, confirm. Okay, let's go to our PLC. This is our company introduction, Yongjia Polyurethane Company Limited, and you can visit our website www.machinepu.com. Okay, see here is the touch screen. This is a switch. This is for power on and off. Power on and off. This is if the touch screen shows any alarm information, you can press this firstly, reset the alarm. And if machine occurs some problems, you can press on emergency stop button. Here, this is the switch for machine open and on. The machine is without electricity now, and I turn it off. And this is after you turn the machine on, you can see everything is controlled by our system. These are electronics, and that one is touch screen. This is the back part. Our brand we use is Siemens. This is the standard brand in our company with guarantee and CE and EAC by many agent certificates. You don't have to worry about the quality problem. And here, this is the transformer. These are all electronics, also Siemens. And this is Schneider. Schneider is also our standard brand. Very good quality. You can also purchase the spare parts locally. This is the power supply. Usually we will connect all the wires before the machine delivery. So once you get the machine, you just have to install the arm, the arm for the machine. This one, you don't have to do many installation work. We will export our machine as a whole set. Okay, that is the alarm light. Once the machine is alarmed, occurs some problem, the alarm will turn on. Next, I will introduce how to make this forkstone panel. 这个没有办法插播视频的是吧？没有。Okay, you can see here are many forkstone panels with different colors and different designs. How to make this forkstone panel? They are made by same method, but on the surface there are layer here. You can see there's a layer here. This is called PVC film. The PVC film has 6 colors: white, gray, black, red, dark gray, light gray, and orange. So if you wanted to make different colors, you can purchase different PVC film. Also, if you wanted to make more colors, you can also brush and painting on it. This is the most popular designs this year. And next, I will introduce how to make this forkstone panel. First step is you put PVC film into our mold and spray the mold release agent at the back part of the mold. Then you can use our high pressure forming machine to inject into the mold. After that, then you close the mold, wait for 6 minutes. Then the products can be get out of the mold. 会这样讲会太那个。
要不放个另外一个手机，你那个手机上有视频？
没有，我要得传过去。先这样子，先对着设备。哦，刚刚讲的时候还有人，现在变成0了。
刚刚我看有一段时间有5个同时。
有6个。你的是阿里的。没有人的话，这个卖点就不讲了。问题那个，要不要这个样子？我同时拿2个，你充当水军，两边同时问。Hello, welcome to our live stream today. Today we are introducing our high pressure forming machine.
对，你得把你的问题给我。
你手机没电了？
还有20%，有密码。
打开了。你怎么发问题啊？
把它复制给我。
你这个不能复制啊。你不是后台问问题吗？
对啊，
充当那个。
对啊 ，Grace 那边可以复制。
哦。你返回。你找 Grace。我最近跟他没有聊天，你得另外找。
是记得 Grace。
我没给他改备注。Hello, today we are introducing our high pressure forming machine. This big machine is around 2,500 kilograms heavy, and this machine can be moved by our guided rail system, and can be driven by a motor, so the bigger machine can move very easily. Also, this machine can be used for many applications like forkstone panels, pillows, seats, car seats, office chair seats, and the bedside, and furnitures. Also, many other applications, too many thousands of applications. If you have the new idea, you can also let us know. We will find it and do the lab test to see if it works. Okay, here I will introduce the whole machine part to let you understand all the components. Okay, how to clean the machine head. Actually, this machine no need to be cleaned. High pressure forming machine is self-clean system. So this is the biggest advantage of our high pressure forming machine, which means you can save a lot of cleaning agent. The cleaning agent also do harmful for the environmental. So if you purchase our machine, this machine don't have to be washed, don't have to be cleaned. It can save material cost, save the cleaning agent cost also, and the lifetime is longer than low pressure forming machine. Here is the mixing head. Our mixing head can do 500,000 times, which means can make 500,000 products. This is a lifetime. It can match a famous Korean brand, so you can trust our quality. Do you have any other questions? Then I can answer you. 听得到吗？他就发了一个问题。
那发阿里的。
阿里的问题是什么？
还没有发出来，刚进来。
Hello, welcome to our live stream. 我还是对着这个大罐子。Hello, do you have any questions? Then I will answer you.
Hello, do you have any questions?
我这个是20小时啊。
是的，是没断吗？你们前面呢？
可能是我上一次的没关掉。
它会一直计时的吗？它应该退出去。
Hello, welcome to our live stream. Our high pressure forming machine has many advantages compared with low pressure forming machine. This high pressure forming machine, it has a self-cleaning filter, so this filter don't has to be cleaned every day, not like the low pressure forming machine. And the high pressure forming machine is driven by the hydraulic station. So this means our high pressure forming machine is hydraulic system. Also, the mixing head doesn't to be cleaned. It will save a lot of material during the manufacturing process. Also, it will save a lot of cleaning agent cost. The cleaning agent cost usually is higher than the material cost, and the cleaning agent is does harm to the environment. 又只有 Grace 一个了。来点问题 Grace.
Do you have any questions? 但是我在复制，疯狂。没有发出。
买家在收想看直播，招呼吧。
哎，怎么还有个
Hello, welcome, Alyssa.
Does this machine need much compressed air?
No, this machine doesn't need a lot of compressed air. Even if you equip a complete line, it only needs 1,000 liters, around 1 cubic meters per minute. Usually, if you don't have a complete line, maybe you only need to purchase a small compressor around 500 liters per minute.
它还在吗？在的。哦，这个不在。
Hello?
Hello?
要不这样子啊，我们俩交换手机。我这边只有 Grace。
我这儿其实也是 Grace 啊。
啊？
嗯。
关键你的手机还马上没电了。
是的
我昨天还特意准备个充电宝，在公司没拿，早知道上楼拿一下。
然后我带了充电器，待会拖个线出来。还有人艾特你，
昨天老板给我的询盘我没跟，昨天没时间啊，今天也不一定有时间啊。Hello， 这个 QQ 是谁啊？
应该就是 Grace。
Hello， do you have any question？ 疯狂暗示。
How to install?
How to install? The machine is very easily to be installed. Actually, it doesn't need to be installed. Only this arm, only this long arm. Because this arm is around 2.5 meters long. It's connected with the mixing head. So to save the space before loading the container, we will install this arm. You can see there are many small screws here. So you just need to install the arm with these screws on this machine and also these pipes. For the system, for this control system and all the wires we will connect for you in advance. But we will also provide you an electric drawing in case you will find some problem of our electric system. And if you found any problem, you can contact our after sales team. And here, this is our company information.
哪里不能拍这个
Okay. You can contact our after sales team. Okay. Thank you for your questions, Grace. So, do you have any new questions? Then I will answer you immediately. The machine will be shipped as a complete set, so you don't have to worry about the installation problem. You can see this is a whole set, a whole body. We usually ship by a 20 feet full container. This is recommended. This will do good for our machines without any crash, without any damage during the long sea shipping process. This tank is our standard tank, 208 liters. 280 liters. But if your product is very big, we can also make huge tanks like 500 liters, 1,000 liters, 1,200 liters. It depends on you. We can customize the big tank size for us, but this one is only 280 liters.
小狗也下线了。
妈呀，这是水军吗？
是的，水军下线了。
Okay. Thank you, Grace. I will answer you and show you the touchscreen brand. You can see we use all very famous brands. This is Germany brand Siemens for the touchscreen. Because the machine is without the electricity, so I cannot show you the detailed information inside. But I will show you the back part of this. You can see this is Siemens brand. It has many certificates like CE, EAC, and UL. So most of the countries we can meet your demands. And this brand is very famous and good quality, so you don't have to worry about the quality problem. We will guarantee that this machine can be used for at least 10 years. Also, these are electronics connected with the touch screen. We will use Schneider, also Germany brand. If any part is broken, you can easily to purchase locally. And this is also Siemens brand. Siemens. And Schneider. So our standard brands, the standard brands we use mostly are Siemens and Schneider. All very good quality and good brands. Okay, please let me know if you still understand or you wanted to know more about the machine. Okay, so do you have any questions? I can answer you. This is the power, now it's off. And
Hydraulic station.
yeah, this is the hydraulic station.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the hydraulic station. It's the most important part of this high pressure forming machine. Since this machine is hydraulic system, so the station is the most important part, as like the heart for a human. It will supply the hydraulic power to the whole machine. Next.
Do you have any other questions? 诶，这个好奇怪，它都不在线，它是怎么写问题的？
但是 Grace 这边在这里。
嗯
Hello, welcome.
三个有人。
Yeah, so this is the machine tank. You can see the tank is 3 layers. The outside layer is for water, for our cold water or hot water to control. This is to control the material inside of this big tank. This big tank is for polyo, that one is for isocyanate. Everyone knows, if you are in polyurethane industry, after the two materials mixed, then they will turn the liquid into form, like the pillows, like the car seats, like the office chairs, and like the mattress. All these products are made by the polyurethane. Also, it can make the other products like forkstone panels for decorative, the cornice, and many applications. If you wanted to do the polyurethane products, you can let me know, then I can introduce. Here I can show you some of our samples here. You see, this is the forkstone panel made by our polyurethane. And this is a pillow made by our polyurethane. This is a PU, and this is a car seats. This is a car seats, also made by polyurethane. And the blue one is also made by PU, but a different PU called gel, like the jelly. Okay, here are some of the applications. Thank you for your question, Grace. Our material is added automatically, not by manually. The standard machine is equipped with feeding pump. The feeding pump is for lifting material into this drum automatically, like this one. You can check. This is a gale pump. This gale pump is for lifting material into our drum. There's a pipe here, a transformer pipe here. This pipe is inserted into a drum. For example, like this small is a drum. It's inserted into the drum. The material will lift the material from this pipe. These pipes. Then through this outlet into this machine drum automatically. And after material is inserted into the machine tank, then you can 金子阳式的 then you can check the meter. The meter will show how many materials are inserted or how many materials are lifted into this drum. We usually require at least 20% of the material into this drum and not higher than 80%. It's here is 80%. So if this drum is 200 and 8 liters, it will request at least 50 liters to 200 liters, 50 liters to 200 liters. This is good. Okay, thank you. So if you have any new questions, please let me know.
No one is on live.
这边只有金子阳跟 Grace。
下线了。哎，你这个太奇怪了，怎么20个小时？
可是我上次退出了的。难道我上次一直都没有退出？
不会这样一直记。
关键是到时候看回放的时候不是很那个啊，20个小时。
得放到什么时候？ How does the chiller work?
How does the chiller work? Okay. This is the industrial chiller. Inside, there's a tank inside. There's a water tank inside. You need to add clean water, not the bad water. Okay, the better the water without any other material. 矿泉水怎么说 ？Okay, after you add water, after you add water, you can check there's a control system here, a very easy control system. You see here, this is the function you can choose on this screen, and you can set temperature here up and down. If it's okay, you choose this okay. I open it. You can see these are the electronics of this chiller. So this chiller is controlled by these electronics. And after you set everything, then it's okay. But you also need to connect these pipes with our machine tank. There are many inlets and outlets here. This is the inlet for the cold water come in. So you don't have to add water by hand. You can use a pipe to be connected. And this is for the water out, for the cold water out. This is also for the water in out. And if the water is over, then there's a overflow letter in outlet. And this is for discharging the water. If you don't want to use the waters, then you can discharge it. And these pipes are connected with the machine tank. Once the machine tank is temperature is high, the water will go through these pipes into our machine tank. And because you set temperature, if the temperature is too high, it will cool down, go into the cold water and cool down the machine tank automatically. If the tank temperature is too low, our machine system will heat the machine tank automatically. So everything is automatically, no need to operate by hand.
Do you have any other questions?
这边就一个人。Hello, welcome to our live stream. If you have any other question, you can let me know. And this machine cost is from 30,000 to 100,000, depends on what products you make. For example, this machine is our standard machine, and the cost is around 45,000. Sorry, it's around 45,000. Since everything we use is the top brands in China, and the control system, the electronics are used by famous brands around in the world like Siemens and Schneider, and the motor is also from Siemens, a very good brand. This is Bade from Siemens company, and this is Glenrix. This brand is Glenrix. This. Oh, okay, it's here. This metering pump is from Glenrix, also top brands in China. Actually, this is a joint venture brand. And this is our magnetic coupling by DLH. All good brands, famous brands. So this standard machine, our selling cost usually is around 45,000 USD dollar. We also accept other brands if customers needs, like bed brands. For example, Rolex is much more expensive than Siemens, but also better quality. And if you think the cost is too high, we can also provide you all Chinese brands. Chinese brands is also top brands and good brands with good quality. The cost will be a little cheaper. Okay, any other question? No. 已经回答完了，是不是也没人啊？就 Grace 在问，我们差不多是55开始的，我这还有15分钟，就是还有15分钟。Hello, Mr. Jing, Mrs. Grace, do you have any more questions? 分化试一下。
上午好像没什么人，
我得下午啊。
他们一般下午人比较多。
这边是 YouTube 上。哦，知道了，下次看看，下次找个下午的。
应该是没有人。
我感觉带问题就稍微好一点。
有东西可讲。
不然就是重复一遍讲设备，没啥意思。
有重点。
一个人都没有哦。
没了，我这是暂时没有。
快点自己造一下问题。你看看。
Can this machine make cultural stones?
Yes, this machine is mainly used. This model is mainly used for making forkstone panels. You can check. This is the most popular project in the world now. So this is also our best project and most popular project for making forkstone panels. These forkstone panels are made by polyurethane material, but on the surface there are two methods. You can choose PVC film as the surface. We will show you the surface. You can check here. This is the PVC layer. It's not painted. It's the PVC layer for the surface. So the surface is very beautiful. It's like real stone. There are 6 colors of this PVC film. Here we have 2 colors. This is the dark gray and this is white. We also have light gray, black, stone red, orange, and white and dark gray. 6 colors, mainly 6 colors. The forkstone panels can also be made by other methods. The forming process is same, but the surface can also be painted. If you want to paint it, you have to do the process in advance. And here we have a video of how to make the forkstone panels. You can check this worker is inject the mixing head into a hole, the injection hole of the mold. After injection, then this process is finished. Just waiting for 6 minutes. Then open the mold. After open the mold, you can get the finished product out of the mold. Then it's finished. 视频都不打那个。Okay, if you wanted to know more questions of how to make the forkstone panel, you can also leave message to us. Nobody. If you wanted to know how to contact our company, you can remember our company name, Yongjia Polyurethane Company Limited. And our website is www.machinepu.co com. And these are our company in contact information. You can call us or leave message to our company. We will contact you immediately and introduce our machine and our project to you.
Can you tell us the differences between the low pressure machine and the high pressure machine?
Okay, we have two questions now. Firstly, I introduce you how to about the machine output of this forkstone making machine. For example, this machine we use now is for making forkstone panel. This big machine output is around 500 grams per second. Since the forkstone panel weight is around 1 kilograms to 3 kilograms, different designs, the weight will be different. Like this sample, the weight is only around 1 kilogram. So the machine output 500 grams per second is enough for making the forkstone panels. About the difference between the low and high pressure forming machine, you can check the size firstly. The low pressure forming machine size is very small, but this high pressure forming machine, it's very big. It's very big. It's very huge. It's very big. And the driving system is quite different. Hydraulic machine is driven by the high pressure forming machine is driven by the hydraulic system. This is the hydraulic station. But the low pressure forming machine is driven by the motors. The mixing head, there's a motor here. And the machine, this mixing head, you can check there are cleaning buttons here. This is cleaning for liquid cleaning, and this is for the air flush. Because after you cleaning by liquid, there's still some liquid inside, so you need to flush it by air. But the high pressure forming machine, there's no such buttons. Because the high pressure forming machine doesn't need to be cleaned. So this is the biggest difference. Also, if you use high pressure forming machine, the machine will save a lot of material, since the low pressure forming machine will flush the material inside the mixing head out. It will exist 5% waste, and the cleaning agent cost is very high, even higher than the material cost, so there will be a waste. But this will save material cost and the cleaning agent cost. Also, the filters are quite different. The high pressure forming machine use self-clean filter, so you don't have to clean the filter by hand. But the low pressure forming machine doesn't equip this filter. You have to clean the filter every day by hand. You can check this filter. This is the filter for low pressure forming machine. It's very easy one, and you should open it and clean it every day. In case there will be some residues inside of this filter. These are main difference of the low pressure and the high forming machine. Also, another one is the high pressure forming machine can make big products very easily, but the low pressure forming machine is usually recommended for making normal products or small products. If you want to make very products, we will recommend you high pressure forming machine. Okay, thank you for visiting our live stream today. Today we mainly introduced our high pressure forming machine. The high pressure forming machine can make a lot of products, like the rigid form. Rigid forms are forkstone panels, insulation panels, and the pipes. The pipes used for waters, oils, and many other liquids. Also, the cold room. The cold rooms are also made by PU, rigid forms. Also, many other soft forms. Soft forms are usually pillows, seat forms, office chairs, and mattresses. The most popular kitchen mats are also made by our polyurethane foam.
买家进入直播间了。
Hello, welcome.
Hello, welcome to our live stream. So if you have any questions, you can let us know. We are very glad to answer you. So our machine advantages are, there are many points. The machine doesn't have problem of material dripping, and the machine has hydraulic system which makes the machine work more stable. Third part is material crushed by high pressure, which can mix the material more evenly. The fourth one is the machine no need to use clean agent to clean the machine head. And this machine doesn't need to be installation, so it's free installation, free deep jack. Just to get power supply, anything can be operated through touchscreen and the mixing head or control box very easily. If you want to if you wanted to purchase a machine with longer life, you can choose the high pressure forming machine. In long term, high pressure forming machine saves more cost than the low pressure forming machine. Okay, thank you for visiting our live stream, and thank you for listening. Welcome to our live stream next time. Bye bye.